Terminating RG6 cable with an F-type connector. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to fold back the outer braid as well as the outer foil and the inner braid. After that, we're going to place the center conductor and dielectric into the middle of the hole on our compression connector, and you're going to push it in until the dielectric is flush as shown. After that, we're going to insert our connector into the compression tool and squeeze to compress the connector. This is how your final product will look.